Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get Badoo Premium for free, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, if you're gonna go ahead, open up your Badoo app on your phone, and now if you go to the section of profile, here in this section you're gonna see plans and Badoo Premium. So if you've been wondering whether you can get Badoo Premium for free, is there any way to access that? That is not quite possible. You have to enter a payment method and you have to purchase it for you to use the features along in the Badoo app. If you want to simply think there is any way for you to use all those services without actually paying, currently Badoo does not allow that. You have to purchase it. You can choose to simply get it from your some references and the promo codes can work, but Badoo in this case here in Badoo, that also doesn't quite work. So you have to simply purchase it. Once you have purchased the Badoo Premium plan, you will be able to use all of the facilities easily and you're good to go. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.